Hey guys, we're going to do a nighttime video because we just got our Cybertruck projection lights for the doors, and I think this is going to look a lot cooler if I show it to you at nighttime. So here's the Cybertruck, and I know it's going to be a little dark, but once we get these lights installed, it's going to look really nice. But again, it comes with 2 lights, and what I'm told is these lights will fit in the rear doors as well. But I only ordered the front 2. So we're gonna try installing it and see how it looks. All right, I'm down here. It's the driver's side door. And I just wanted to show you guys, and this is the light that we are going to be replacing. Yeah, once you get this light popped out, you just have to basically disconnect this latch from over here. It's just this latch over here. You're gonna disconnect that, and then I'm going to plug in the Tesla projection light. Simple plug and play. Let's get that plugged in. All right, and then like I said, just a plug and play. We plug that into the new Cyber projector light. If you see down here, this is what's flash on. If I turn off the flash, it's gonna look a lot brighter. Let me turn that flash off. All right, this is me shining around the Cyber logo projection light. Again, this is just me moving this thing around. Let's get this snapped up in here. Again, all right, so now we've got it plugged right in. You can actually see the projection, that single beam showing the Cybertruck logo, which is very cool. And remember, for this installation, you're going to want to put your window all the way down. That's what Tesla recommends. And yeah, you got this Cybertruck Cyber logo projection. It's actually really bright. I don't know if it can come off on camera as accurate as it does in real life, but this looks awesome. Really cool touch. Again, if you want it on all 4 doors, you can. I'm pretty sure, but don't quote me on that. But again, this is how the light looks compared to the projection. So you'll probably lose a little light spread. That's the rear without that. That's the front. But this thing is worth it for the cool factor. Very cool. All right, see you guys on the next one. Hope you guys enjoyed that. You can get this on the Tesla store, and it might be a little hard to find at the moment, but once you get them, well worth it. Very cool. All right, just want to show you guys the final installation for the Cybertruck logo projection lights. Again, this is the flash off at night. We got a pretty nice, oh, that looks pretty cool. The reflection on the stainless, that's badass. But yeah, this looks really cool, really nice, solid, really crisp projection. You can see it right there. It looks very good. I like that angle a lot. But yeah, it's very cool. Easy to install from Tesla themselves. Again, you're not going to get as much light projection compared to like a rear door that doesn't have it right here. You see all that light that you get when you're getting in and out. Instead, you get the Cybertruck logo, which, I mean, I think at least having it on 2 of the doors is pretty nice. It looks really nice, gives it a nice touch. Very cool. Can't get enough of these Cybertruck logos. Looking good. Yeah, nice little add-on. A little expensive, but pretty cool. See you guys on the next one. Bye.